out here with this 2006 33.5 foot deck over Baker built trailer. As you see, it's a dual axle, tandem axle, dual rear tire. There we go, that's how we're supposed to say it. Tandem axle. Good looking trailer overall. A little rusty, but looks to be in good working condition. Has 20 foot of flat deck, 5 foot of tail, 5 foot ramp, and the gooseneck up here is approximately 8.5 feet long. So totals around 33.5 feet. As I said, it's all in good working condition. They towed it in, hooked to the back of the truck, so it goes up the road. So the brakes work and all that. Tires look to be in decent condition. Look like they got some good life left in them. I believe this is regular brakes, hydraulic, pneumatic, whatever, hydraulic brakes, not air brake. So hydraulic braking system on this one. Does need a new deck, I'd say. Maybe not a whole new deck, but it is pretty rough and it does have a few holes. So I'm sure that the rest of this deck's gonna be kind of following suit. You see some of it's starting to pop up a little. So could use a new deck or at minimum a patch job. Good hole right there. There's a little holey down through there, as well as right there. But it's all there. Overall, you could haul stuff with it right now. There you have it. Breakaway system's all wired up, all that. Plug. Alrighty, folks. Have a great day.